guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what is in my speedy b25, so Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandouliere 25. So yeah, I've been wanting to show you guys what's in this bag. I actually use this more than I do my Neverfull, only because it's smaller, but this bag is actually really heavy and it kind of like digs into my shoulders. So I am thinking about selling it, but yeah, I'm going to be posting this on Poshmark, so I'll link that down below if you guys would like to buy this. And my bandeau. I like this bag. It's just like I said, it hurts my shoulders a lot, and I want honestly something smaller than this. Like, this is a pretty small bag, but I want like the Clapton or something. Not the Clapton. I want something else. I think the Clapton, I'm not sure. I just want something lighter, smaller, and something that isn't going to hurt my shoulders. That was the whole reason why I did get a crossbody Louis Vuitton bag. But yeah, so I am going to be selling this. I'll link this down below. I did want to film a what's in my purse video though, because I have been using this a lot. So yeah. So this is a Speedy Bandouliere 25, and it has the strap. But before we get started in this video today, I wanted to tell you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and show your girl some support. I do film a lot of beauty videos, mom vlogs. I do a lot, but I do film a lot of what's in my purses. If you guys like watching those, definitely subscribe to my channel. Also, at the end, if you do decide you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So yeah, let's get into what is in my Speedy Bandouliere 25. So it's in the damier bean print, I think is what it's called. So I have this, and then I have the Neverfull so in monogram. So I decided to get something that I don't have to be too careful with. This has it comes with a 3-part strap, which I just use all 3, and then it looks like a little trunk, and then it has the lock on the side, and this is what it looks like. Then I also had purchased the bandeau. I thought I could wear this in my hair, but honestly I realized I don't look good with stuff in my hair. So I just decided to leave this on my bag as an accessory, but I do get paranoid that someone's going to like pull it off and take it from me. So I try not to put it on too much, but I think it definitely does add character to the bag and gives it a little bit of a pop. I do like this a lot though. So it has the strap and then these 2 handles right here, which I don't ever carry it like this, like ever. Maybe like if I'm in the car and I just want to like pick it up, but that's the only time I ever do that. I don't hold it by the straps right here. But yeah, so I will show you guys at the end what it looks like on my side. But let's jump into what is actually in this bag. Using this pillow as like to prop the bag on, because I know a lot of people do like to see like the actual bag. So sorry if I'm cut off a little bit. I just want you guys to be able to see this bag. So it has the zipper right here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. It's literally just a big hole. So it has red interior inside, and then I also have a bag organizer, and then it has, let me try to pull this out for you guys. It has the zipper pocket right here. So I like this. I think it'd be perfect for winter, but like I said, I just want a smaller bag. So I do have a pink bag organizer in it, like that. So yeah, let's jump into what's in it. Is my wallet. I just have a card holder. I do want to invest in the Louis Vuitton key clay, but I don't know. I feel like a lot of my Louis Vuitton products I don't like using because they're so expensive, but this is probably the one bag that I've been like whatever about. So I think I might invest in the Louis Vuitton key clay. I'm not sure. I'm still trying to debate if it's worth it. So for now I'm using this Target card holder, which I've been using forever. I love it. I love glittery things. So yes. The next thing I have is my iPhone. So I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you guys want to see the unboxing on that, I'll link it up here so you guys can check it out. But yeah, and I have this white clear Kate Spade case on it, and I got in a color gold. So I have this. I am going to be filming a what is on my iPhone, so make sure you guys subscribe so you guys could check that out. The next thing I have in here is my Mario Badescu Rose Facial Water Spray. I use this when my face starts to feel super dry or super oily, and I just use this to freshen up. You could get this from Ulta. And then I have some Dove deodorant spray. I love freshening up throughout the day, especially when it gets super hot over here. Yeah. And with winter coming up, you know, when you bundle up and stuff, and you do start to like sweat a little bit. So I got this Travel Dove spray deodorant. And then I have some Q-tips. So I like using these Q-tips for if I get lipstick around my lip, and sometimes like if I try using my hand, it just like smears it some more. So I like Q-tips for that. Or when I'm like cleaning up my under eyes, if my eyes get watery, sometimes my mascara on the bottom lashes start to smear it out. So I'll use these for that too. So yeah. And then I have this Starbucks gum. It's in peppermint. I was at Starbucks the other day and I needed gum, so I just got this too. And this was like $3 or $2.25. So I think it comes with, it's sugar free, and it doesn't say how many it comes with. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure how many is in here, but yeah. So I got these. And then I have a pay stub from work, which I'm not going to show you guys. And then I have a Best Buy receipt for my iPhone and the case. Then I have my car registration. I have a Simply Balanced fruit strip in strawberry. I got this the other day at Target. I was offered a job, but I already have one, so I declined them. And they gave me this. They're like, do you want a free snack? So I was like, yeah, sure. So I grabbed this. And then I have my Tangle Teezer brush, which I like this because my hair gets so messy and it's not naturally straight. So I have to just keep brushing it out so it's nice and smooth. So yeah, I got this from Ulta. I have some Tylenol. Sometimes if I don't get enough sleep, I get a really bad headache, so I carry some Tylenol with me. I have Clean and Clear Oil Absorbing Blotting Sheets. I have really oily skin, so these definitely come in handy a lot for me. I have Tide to Go. I am a frequent coffee drinker, so I definitely need this because most of the time I'm wearing either white or like light colors, and I end up always spilling coffee on me, which freaking sucks. I have some Airborne. I work in a dealership in the business office, and everyone seems to get sick, so I'm always taking Airborne because I'm afraid I'm going to get sick. I don't take this every day, but when I feel like I'm going to be coming on with a cold, I'll take one, so I like to carry this with me. I have a pen. I got this from Target. This is very handy for me, especially when I'm at the bank or out at a restaurant or any little thing. If I don't carry a pen, I usually end up needing it. So yeah, I just put this pen in here. I have my Too Faced matte lipstick. This is in the color Cool Girl. It's actually the color I'm wearing today. I like nude colors, so yeah. I have this leopard printed brown clip. Just in case, I hate having my hair down, so most of the time I end up like pulling it back, so yeah. I have this MAC bronzing bronzer. And I actually carried this with me to put my lipstick on. So yeah. There's that. And look at this packaging, guys. It's like a cool marble color. I have my Aquaphor Immediate Relief Lip Repair. My lips crack so much and dry up because of this dry Colorado weather, so I'm always using chapstick. Especially because I wear lipstick a lot, my lips dry up more. And then I have my Louis Vuitton little pouch. It goes, the locket is right here, so I usually put that in there. And also the keys are in here. I hope. The keys are not in here. Oh yeah, they are. They're so tiny, you can't really see them. So I have the keys to the locket, and yeah, those are in there. Oh, I have a lot more stuff. Okay. Then I have my Zeiss cleansing wipe. Glass cleaner wipe. This is for glasses. I do wear glasses, so my glasses are always getting dirty. I'm trying to see. And then I have this Cactus Blossom Super Smooth Body Lotion. It smells so yummy, from Bath & Body Works, which my hands feel a little dry, so I guess we can put that on. Yes, it smells so good, guys. And then I have the perfume that goes with it, the body mist. I have this rose water and ivy hand sanitizer. And then I have this Louis Vuitton little perfume sample. Yeah, I don't use it. I just keep it in there for looks. Yeah, and I have some gum that's just floating at the bottom of my purse. So that is it for what is in my bag. There's nothing left. There's my registration that I threw back in. But other than that, that is it, what's in here. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you next time. Bye.